Welcome to Run Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. I want to show you some awesome finds, but remember to follow us on YouTube and also subscribe. Click that like button. All right, everyone. I'm not a baker, but I love to make some cupcakes here and there. So I want to show you some amazing finds on Run Run Deals. Check this out right here. We're going to open this package and also this package to see what Amazon Basics have to offer. All right, everyone. I wanted you to try out this Amazon Basics baking set. They have everything you need there, and I just want to show you what they have. So the first thing that I want to show you are these right here. These right here are silicone muffin and cupcake holders. Easy cleanup. All you would have to do is use one of your old tins. Mine's a little rusty. I don't like how it looks. I'll show you a little bit later. You're going to plop this right on top of it. Once you plop it right on top of it, you can go ahead and put your baking needs in here and slide it right in the oven. It's silicone. It's not going to melt. Awesome. We also have the silicone cupcake holders. You don't have to buy a bunch of them and throw them away after. You can keep them. I love because it comes in different assorted colors. This right here is the rainbow ones. Pretty cool. Okay. And then also for your baking needs, we have a baking mat. Check this out. So all you do is just lay the mat down and you bake right here on the mat. No mess. After you're finished, you just take it, rinse it off in the sink, put it on the towel rack or whatever to dry. There you go. Easy clean up. Like what I said, I just want to show you the cupcakes, and I'm going to show you how you put that right in. All right, so I have my cupcake muffin tin. I'm going to go ahead and place this right on top. As you can see, they fit right inside. You just have to push them through and then go ahead and bake. That's it. That's all. I know you all enjoyed the deals that you were able to see today. There's a bunch more. Make sure you go on Run Run Deals app to catch those deals daily. There's notifications that will ring and tell you about new prizes coming on up. With that being said, why wouldn't you do it?